So I've just resprayed the LPG headstock, and it's gone on really well. So I've given it about 20 minutes, and what I'm going to do now while that paint is still tacky is follow up with a clear coat. I'll probably spray 4 to 5 coats of clear straight over the top, and then I'll let it sit for 1 to 2 days, or whatever the recommendations on the can say. I can't recall right off the top of my head. In any case, same process as usual. Make sure you're wearing a mask. Got my can shaken up for about a minute, I'd say. I just hold the headstock on an angle again, and the same process as before. You're just looking to get that wet line all the way to the top, and just leave it. Now I'd wait about 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll follow that up. I'm just holding this up now, and we've got a really nice mirror-like finish on that. But as you can see, there's a couple of blemishes here, and just here. So we're going to need to sand those out. Now what I'd normally recommend once you've got gloss on is to start at least 600 grit, and that generally means wet and dry sandpaper. So I like to wet sand headstocks at this stage. Now